Hi friends, Teresa here from Heirloom Apothecary. Today I want to share with you a powerful combination that can truly transform your energy, muscle strength, brain health, and even the way you age gracefully. That dynamic duo, protein and creatine. You may have heard from creatine from my latest video or by word of mouth from athletes, but it's much more than that. And when combined with enough protein, especially around 100 grams per day, this duo becomes a powerhouse for your whole body, your brain, muscles, skin, and metabolism. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is creatine and why is it important? Creatine is a natural compound your body makes in the liver, kidneys, and pancreas. It's stored mostly in your muscles and a little in your brain, where it helps to produce ATP, the molecule that builds and powers every cell's energy. Think of ATP as the battery your cells run on, and creatine helps recharge that battery faster. As we age, or when we live with chronic stress, our creatine stores tend to decline, leading to fatigue, muscle weakness, and even slower cognitive function, including brain fog. Part 2. Protein, the building blocks for repair, growth, and beauty. Now, creatine powers energy production, but it does not build or repair tissue. That's the job of protein. Protein provides your body with amino acids, essential building blocks for repairing and building muscle fibers, creating neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine that regulate mood and focus, supporting your immune system and metabolism, and importantly, building collagen, the main structural protein in your skin, hair, nails, and connective tissues. Collagen protein is special because it supports skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, strengthens the nails, and promotes shiny, healthy hair. Adding collagen peptides or bone broth to your diet can enhance your beauty from the inside out. Part 3. The source of protein doesn't matter, but your total intake does. One of the most important things to know is this. Whether you're a carnivore, an omnivore, keto, vegan, or anywhere in between, the key is getting at least 100 grams of protein per day. The source of protein can vary from eggs, fish, poultry, legumes, tofu, nuts, seeds, dairy, or collagen powders, in addition to soy, whey, milk, and egg protein powders. All can contribute to that daily protein goal. What truly matters is the total amount, because consistent, sufficient protein intake fuels repair, hormone balance, energy, and recovery. While I don't necessarily advocate counting calories, I absolutely do advocate counting grams of protein. In fact, if we simply keep track of the grams of protein we consume and consistently get 100 grams or more of protein each day, we cannot overeat. Yes, it is virtually impossible to overeat. Let's find out why next in Part 4. Part 4, how adding protein changes your body and cravings. Here's the beautiful part. When you increase your protein intake to the healing threshold of at least 100 grams of protein per day, several things happen naturally. Your cravings decrease. You feel less need to snack mindlessly or binge on sugar because your body's amino acid needs are met. Your snacking becomes more purposeful, driven by true hunger rather than emotional or nutrient cravings. Your body composition shifts with more lean muscle and less fat. Muscle is metabolically active tissue that helps you burn calories even at rest. This muscle gain is key to aging gracefully, supporting strength and balance, mobility even through every decade. Most people think they get enough protein in their diets, but most do not. Most people are eating about half of the protein they really need, leading to weight gain and loss of strength every year. When adequate protein is paired with creatine, something magical happens. Let's explore the magic next in Part 5. Part 5, how protein and creatine work together. The magic. Now let's look at how creatine and protein team up for optimal results. Creatine fuels the energy your muscles and brain need to perform, whether that's lifting weights, walking, or thinking clearly. Our bodies preferentially shunt protein and creatine to our muscles, and any leftover is shunted to the brain. Do you see why we need to increase both protein and creatine in our diets? Protein provides the raw materials needed to repair, rebuild, and grow those muscles and brain chemicals. Together, they support muscle synthesis, cognitive function, metabolism, and beauty. Creatine helps your muscles work harder because they fast-track ATP, or energy production, and protein helps them recover stronger. In the brain, creatine supports memory and mood. Without optimal levels of creatine in the brain, slow brain function results in brain fog, anxiety, and even depression, while protein helps create neurotransmitters that regulate your mental health. Just how do we optimize protein and creatine intake? Stay tuned next in Part 6. Part 6, how to optimize your protein and creatine intake. Here are my best tips to harness the power of this dynamic duo. Aim for at least 100 grams of protein per day, spread across your meals. Eggs, fish, legumes, dairy, or collagen peptides all count. Focus on ingesting 30 to 40 grams of protein in each meal. If you don't know how much protein you get in each meal, I guarantee you're not getting enough. This is your focus of every meal. You will find if you eat your fiber in the form of vegetables and protein first, you won't have room for the stuff that will cause you to gain weight. Add a therapeutic dose of creatine monohydrate daily, typically 3 to 5 grams. It can be added to protein shakes, smoothies, yogurt, soups, etc., and you won't even taste it. Do not take it on an empty stomach or with just water or coffee. Some people get an upset stomach. When taken with food, this is not a problem. Take creatine alongside protein-rich meals or snacks for best muscle uptake. Stay well hydrated since creatine draws water into muscle cells. And if this feels overwhelming or confusing, or you're just not sure exactly how to fit all of this into your unique life and body, that's exactly where my wellness lifestyle coaching comes in. Part 7, how my wellness lifestyle coaching can help you thrive. I created my wellness lifestyle coaching program precisely for women and men like you who want to take the guesswork out of nutrition, supplementation, and lifestyle changes. Together, we will craft a personalized protein and creatine plan tailored to your preferences, dietary choices, and health goals. Address any barriers you face, including cravings, digestion, fatigue, or motivation. Build supportive routines that honor your nervous system and promote sustainable healing. Provide loving accountability and science-backed guidance so you never feel alone or overwhelmed. Whether you prefer a do-it-yourself fully written plan, wellness coaching sessions, or daily check-ins, I walk beside you every step of the way. Healing your energy, strength, and well-being is possible, and it's my deepest joy to support you on that journey. Click in the description box below for a questionnaire that will inform me about your unique needs and result in a free consultation. Remember, your body is designed to heal and thrive when given the right fuel and support. Protein and creatine together are the one most powerful tools for rebuilding strength, boosting brain health, and supporting beauty and aging gracefully. You deserve to feel energized, balanced, and confident in your body every day. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please help spread the word by liking, subscribing, and sharing with someone you love. All these no-cost actions can help me spread the word to a larger audience. With love and strength, bye-bye for now.